Welcome to our channel. We recently upgraded to a luxurious rain shower in our primary bathroom, but we ran into a common issue: low water pressure. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple steps we took to boost the water pressure and get that rain shower working perfectly. If you're experiencing a similar issue, this quick fix could be just what you need. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest DIY tips. Let's dive in. There's not enough water pressure for the rain shower. To fix this, remove the flow restrictor for more pressure. First, remove the shower head. Remove the rubber washer and the screen. Remove the flow restrictor. Replace the rubber gasket and screen. Reinstall the shower head. Now we have all the pressure that we need, and it works perfectly. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more practical solutions. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments, and we look forward to seeing you back here soon for more valuable content.